Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. We just stayed at the ranch at Death Valley and I wanted to make a little travel vlog for you. This is my first one, so let me know what you think. So this is a part of a complex of properties. This is the ranch. There is another one that is a little bit further away from here. And so when you pull in, you check in at the town hall. There's plenty of parking and you just go on in. It is just very welcoming. This is the back entrance from inside of the Oasis property. And I love that everything has covered walkways because it is really hot and very, very sunny here in Death Valley. There are so many places to sit. I really enjoyed just sitting around on the porches and just enjoying just all of the scenery. Here's a look at the property. It's a manageable size. There is some walking involved, but it was really, really easy. You can see you have all of the shaded sidewalks. If you have kids, be careful. It is really hard to see when you're driving through here. And I saw some families with the kids just running and it made me a little bit nervous. Everybody was okay, of course. There is a fountain space in the middle. And then from the rooms, they're casitas, stay till the end. I'm going to show you that. You can walk to the central location here. There is an ice cream parlor. I think they need to rename it because not only is it an ice cream parlor, but you can also get food there. Off to the other side, you have a little sort of souvenir shop. And then this is on the other side of the property. There is a cafe that is open in the morning that has coffee. And there is a decent sized restaurant. The gift shops here were nice. This is the more expensive one. And then when you cross over to the other side, there is a little, like a grocery store, general store kind of a thing, and also a bigger, more traditional kind of national park gift shop. So the gift shop here is awesome. You have all the things, t-shirts. The prices weren't too bad, to be honest. The national parks of Death Valley and Joshua Tree had super expensive gift shops. So this was like a nice, normal priced gift shop. All the things that you want, t-shirts, games, stuffies for you stuffy families. We thought these were super cute. They had so many different animals. And of course, all are like sort of native or kind of imported to the national park here. If you're staying here, there is a fridge and a microwave in your room. I would bring some food and stop at a grocery store because the prices at this grocery store were very expensive. This is the walk to your casita, which is 4 rooms in one little unit. So when you enter, you each have a door, separate entrances, and you walk in and it is just like so cute and quaint because you have this little porch. We spent a lot of time out here. And then when you enter, ceiling fans, which is like very, very exciting. You have a little sitting room here in the front. That couch pulls out into a bed, all of the windows open so you can get that beautiful breeze in, especially in the evenings. Here's a look at the television. You have the microwave, nice size fridge, and the bathroom is great. Walk-in, shower, toilet, gave you extra towels, which I appreciate. And then, you know, just your basic bathroom, but very serviceable. And there you are, just like walk in and your basic sink. The soap smelled delicious if that's something that you are interested in. Really well appointed room, and I loved the storage under the sink so you could put your bags in there. Washer, dryer, they did sell laundry detergent, but it was pricey. I would bring your own. Buy the laundry sheets. I'll link those. Those are key. Coffee, and they give you a lot. So we really enjoyed that. There's a safe and lots of drawer space. You even have like a chair in the master here. We did have the king size bed because we had the pull out couch, but you could also get two queens, charging right by the bedside for all the different cords, USB, USB-C, and another television in the bedroom and a closet. I highly recommend the Oasis at Death Valley. We really enjoyed it. It was great being inside of the park and having some place to sort of retreat to during the heat of the day. Staff was amazing and we just had a really great time. I will link everything and you can check out my planning site for more details. I hope you guys get there. Have fun.